So today is day one of the 30-day YouTube challenge. I want to try every day to post a vlog post, and yeah, I have no idea what I'm going to talk about. I've never done this before, so here we go. My name's Jesse. I live in Tennessee. I'm currently taking my dog for a walk. He needs to go to the bathroom. There's my boy right there. Ricky dog. He's doing the sniffies. It's his favorite thing to do. He's a Beagle mix, so I have a TikTok. I'm used to posting those, but this is completely different, doing long form format. So yeah, weird. I work 2 jobs and I go to school. I'm a lab supervisor, and I also work part-time as a supervisor at Skyfly Soar America. It's a flying theater in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. And yeah, and I'm going to school for water quality technology, which goes with what I do for work. Tonight I've got to pack for a vacation. I'm taking my daughters tomorrow. We're leaving for Universal Studios. We're going to see Epic Universe. Pretty excited about that. I've only been to Universal Studios one time, and that was many years ago, probably about 11. So a lot has changed, I'm sure, but I'm excited to go. We're going to try our best to drive most of the way. Probably get to Florida tomorrow. We got to go and pick up my boyfriend Chad in South Carolina on our way to Florida. Maybe stay somewhere near Jacksonville, and then hopefully we will only have a couple hour drive on Sunday before we have to check into the resort. We're going to stay at Cabana Bay. I've never stayed there. If you guys have any input for me about Universal Studios, any tips and tricks, please drop them in the comments and let me know. I'd love to have your tips, because like I said, I've not been there in years, and I haven't stayed on property, so that's all new for me as well. Yeah, we're going to stay there all week. I'll be taking all my camera gear and probably get some videos and some different vlog posts to share with you guys. I have several cameras in my arsenal. Right now I'm recording on the Osmo Pocket 3, which I love. I've just not really used it that much. And using the DJI mic as well. I've got face track on it. It's not going to show me or show you. So yeah. Yeah. Hopefully Sunday we'll go to City Walk. I'm pretty excited about that. I've not been and actually explored it, because when I went last time I was just at the parks for the day. I don't even think Volcano Bay was open at that time. So yeah, that's new as well. We're going to try to go to that park. Not a big water park fan, but we'll see. Should be fun. I'm excited to get out of town for a week. It's been a rough day. My oldest daughter's cat had to be put down, so it's been rough. She could definitely take the distraction. I'm sure you guys are going to ask, but the poor kitty had cancer, and it just took a toll on her. She couldn't eat or use the bathroom, so it was the right thing to do to make that decision. And I was very proud of my daughter for doing what was right. And she did stay there in the room. We all did. She said it wasn't fair for her to have to pass on alone. It was very mature of her. She's 14 and she made that decision. So I'm proud of her, of the person she's growing to be. She's a stellar human. So yeah, we're going to go and get out of town and um, get our mind off of that. I mean, we obviously had this trip planned before the bad news of the kitty. So, yeah. So if you guys want to follow me my journey, feel free to subscribe, leave me a comment below. Hopefully we can grow a little community here and get to know each other. And so yeah, we'll see you in the next one.